Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best trading routine that I do every single Sunday to ensure I'm going into the week with some sort of game plan. You know, I always try to treat trading as much as I can to things that I know. You know, being a business obviously is one, and another one is just playing football, right? Going into a game, you need to have a playbook. You need to have an offense, a defense, a general idea of things, what to do when things are going your way and when things aren't going your way. So, that's what we're going to be kind of talking about in today's video. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. We'll also kind of showcase our strategy. So check it out. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, we do have our Black Friday sale. This is going to be the last week for this sale for 51% off private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But, more importantly, we actually teach you to trade, which is super, super important. So check it out down below. Use code Black Friday for 51% off, which is the largest sale we've done. So check it out. And guys, let's jump into this here. So the first thing that I do every single week is I look at the stock we're holding. So we're in on AEM for those of you that don't know. And this is our handy dandy trading journal here. So I will put this down below if you guys want to download this. So we're in on AEM here at about $78.50. The target is $90, and then the stock being $84 right now. We're up about $840, which is always good here. So looking at our trading dashboard, we've had a very, very good month, up about $5,500. So we want to go into, going into December, we want to continue to stay profitable. And this is why having a trading journal is important, because we can kind of review what's working, what's not working, so we can do that for future trades. So with AEM here, looking at this here, you guys will kind of see great upward trend, which is really important. Sold off down to that blue line, which is that 90-day moving average line. We also had an undervalued RSI, which is great. We had the hourly, have that great breakout, and the stock has just been rallying its way up and doing very, very, very well. So what's the stop loss? That's everybody's main question for this stock, right? There's a couple of different approaches you could have. If you want to carry more risk, you can keep it below those moving average lines for a possible push going higher. But I'm going to keep it near and around that $82 mark. I want to be up and take profit anything over about $600 on this trade. And that's kind of where it is. Most of the time I don't look at the number, but in this circumstance, I do want to make a good amount of money off this. And so if it does dip down, we'll just take our profit and move on to other opportunity. And that brings me to my next thing is opportunity. One of the most important things you guys can do as traders is to build out a watch list. So for me, any stock that has some sort of potential, I am going to add this to my watch list. So looking at our opportunity tab here, for me, I love trends. I love moving average lines. I love just a basic undervalued RSI. So any stock that has some sort of potential, I am going to be adding to this list. But just because a stock is on the opportunity list doesn't mean I'm going to buy it, right? So with this one here, ZIM here, you guys can kind of see that nice trend line. So there could be a move on the trend from 23 to 30, and this is what I plan out. I plan out these trades, possible breakout, RNA here, you guys can see it's kind of forming that good trend line going up. The daily's on that 90-day moving average line, which has acted as support in the past. So we could see, a move going forward. It also has really hard price support near and around 38. So what we're doing is we're looking at stocks and we're looking at, scanners, and we're seeing what's moving. And the scanner I highly recommend is going to be just Finviz. Finviz is awesome here, and I'll pull it up as you guys can see, because it kind of just showcases the whole market. It can kind of show you what sectors are performing well. You can go to this groups tab and go to the week performance and seeing what we could see continuation in. So in like basic materials here, boom, you can find stocks there. You also could find stocks that didn't perform well, like communication services, and seeing if we can have that bounce, right? Buy low, sell high. Given we maybe got some sell off in a sector, that could bring opportunity. So you kind of got to play both sides of the field, where just because something sells off doesn't mean that it's a no-go. It just means we have to do our research a little more. And this is what you do: is you go in, you go to your screener, you customize your screener. And we do have a custom screener. It's in our course, so if you guys want to sign up, you guys can literally see how we find all these stocks, and it's awesome. It's really, really great. So, and this is what's important, right? As you go in, you're finding these entry points, and going to lower time frames. You're throwing alerts in. So if you want to get in on the breakout of the 200-day moving average line, you could throw an alert here. So if this stock, get some buying pressure, boom, you're notified. Being prepared is way better than just sitting on the sidelines. And I think that's what makes up a really, really good trader here. 90-day moving average play sold off, so we could see a nice move here if we can get some continuation, some rallying its way up. So this is what trading is all about, right? You're figuring out your strategy, you're figuring out your weekly goals, you're figuring out everything for trading. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. A lot of your trading routine is just going to be reviewing your scanner. It's going to be setting alerts, looking for and reviewing trades that you're already in on, and so you have that defense. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. Code Black Friday for 51% off. Also, guys, don't forget to check out our digital trading journal. I'll put that down below as well, and we will see you guys in there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.